Previously on Cynical Zombie.
Once we get down to Lake Hook Road, I'll decide if I want to venture on further. I might go all the way down to this Winkelmann Road, which is where the trail technically stops. So it's a beautiful day. I'm not under any sort of time constraint like sometimes I am. So I'm going to continue into Cook County, and we're going to see exactly how far we can get. I believe the trail ends at this road called Winkelmann Road. Then it picks up somewhere else and then heads south. So we're going to make our way towards that and see what we could see. Okay, so I took that little side trail that had that bridge because I want to see where it goes and where it comes out. Right by the Westin Hotel here. I believe this is Milwaukee Avenue right here. We're in the town of Wheeling. There's a Buca de Beppo right there. Looks like a Cooper's Hawk right over there and a bank here. Okay, so we're going to head back across that bridge and work our way more south. So it looks like right before Dundee Road, we run into Pottawatomie Woods. Looks like they have a porta potty here. There's trail access parking. The trail is definitely not as wide through here as compared to some of the other sections. So beware of that. But you could see Dundee Road down that way, and we're just gonna make our way as far as we can go. So AllTrails shows it as going straight across. I couldn't tell if that was a, from the air or from the map, I couldn't tell if that was a tunnel or what, but there is no way to cross here. So I'm not exactly sure how to reconnect with the trail. So what I'm gonna try and do, there is a sidewalk here and it looks like it winds up to a trail there. I'm gonna see where that goes. For all I know, it might cross at that intersection and make its way back to this forest preserve here. And then, because the trail is over in this way somewhere, so I'm not exactly sure. So it would be helpful if there was better signage here. Hint, hint, Wheeling, Illinois. So I'm not exactly sure how far I am into the Cook County portion of the trail. I haven't seen a single mile marker, but my bike says I'm 20.8 miles into the ride. But there was some incidental riding through the parking lot, stuff like that, so it's probably just over 20 miles. They have shaded spots to picnic. They have a porta potty here. They have trail access to park here. So I'm just going to keep heading south. So I was wondering how exactly we're going to cross Willow Road as we make our way south. There's a bridge here, so that's good, because I definitely don't want to cross a road like this without a bridge. So I've reached the end here at Winkelmann Road. I know the trail continues. I believe if you were to go down this way, in the street, there's no trail. And then you'd have to cross the intersection up there. I believe the intersection doesn't even have a light. So I'm gonna go under the assumption that these guys in front of me know where they're going. I just want to see what the crossing looks like. Right here is Hilton, Al Gower's restaurant. There is basically nobody behind us. Looks like there's a car way back there now. But I want to see what this intersection crossing looks like. Okay, so we made it across that intersection. That intersection sucks. That must be why they say the trail ends there and then picks up again over here, because they have no crosswalk, they have no light, they have nothing here, and it's dangerous for a bike and I imagine people walking to cross. So here's where we are. We cross this intersection over here, Winkelmann Road, and right into Allison Woods here. And the Des Plaines River Trail just continues down south. Now, I've already gone, let's see, 23.4 miles. So at this point, I gotta start making my way back because I'm more than 20 miles away from my car. So here we go. Okay, so I've made it back to the mile marker 31.4. That's on Lake County side of this trail. The trail itself in Cook County left a lot to be desired, and they should definitely spend a little more money on the upkeep of that trail. So I'm going to be heading back about 16 miles back to the car at Independence Grove in Libertyville. Right now we're currently in Wheeling, right above Lake Cook Road.